Hello friends, welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to unbox this package, and this is from Flipkart. I have bought a cube. Okay, let's unbox. Yeah. Oh, did you see that? Okay. Okay, I think I should put some sanitizer to my hands. I think. Okay. Yeah, I have put some sanitizer to my hands. Okay, now I think I should wear these gloves. Yeah guys, after struggling a lot, I have won these gloves. Okay, let's see still what is inside. Okay, here is a bill I think, and here is the cube. Okay, yeah, they given us a cube little bag. Okay, let's open this. Oh my god, this gloves. Okay, there is only cube inside. Yeah. Okay, let's make our first dance. Oh, do I need this? Okay, should I do this with these gloves? Okay, okay, let's do. Okay, the cube is good. I think this is Chi Warrior W. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, it's okay. The sound comes from gloves. Okay, let's try to make M slice formula. Okay, this gloves feels very uncomfortable while using this cube. Okay, oh, you can see there's a corner twist. Okay, these are my hands. Okay, we should use only RN numerals, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's remove these gloves. Yeah. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. Now I can feel the cube. It's okay, it's somewhat shiny. Okay, however, yeah, now it feels good. Yeah, now I can actually do algorithms.